on episode 5, I will be explaining about double jeopardy. So have you guys heard of that term? In case you want to know more about this or you haven't heard of that, you might want to watch this. In general, in countries that also obey the rule of double jeopardy, a person cannot twice be tried for the same crime based on the same conduct. For example, if a person robs a bank, that individual cannot twice be tried for robbery for the same offense. Thus, one cannot be tried for both murder and manslaughter for the same killing, but can be tried for both murder and robbery if the murder arose out of the robbery. The defense of double jeopardy also stops the state for betraying a person for the same crime after he or she has been found not guilty. Now we already know the basic rule of double jeopardy. Next, in Malaysia, on Article 7 Clause 2 of Federal Constitution sets out regarding this matter. So let's take a look on what these articles state. Article 7 Clause 2 of Federal Constitution states that a person who has been acquitted or convicted of an offence shall not be tried again for the same offence, except where the conviction or acquittal has been quashed and a retrial ordered by a court superior to that by which he was acquitted or convicted. In this article, you will see the exception as to when a case can be heard again. The exception here is if a higher court thinks that the decision made was wrong, the previous decision is cancelled. This would then lead to a retrial and the person can be charged or acquitted for the same crime again. But that isn't the only circumstance where a person can be charged again. For instance, if the facts of the case the second time around was different from the first charge, the second charge will be valid. In Jamali bin Adnan against public prosecutor, the person charged, which is Jamali, was sentenced for an armed robbery with 2 revolvers under the Internal Security Act 1960. He was later charged again under the same act for having bullets as well. That's all from me, Farah Nurshahira, for today's Iuris Scientia on episode 5. I hope you learned something new from this. Thank you for tuning in. Bye!